Hey guys, John, Vapor Owning Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Over 99 years of engineering, manufacturing in the field of wet blasting and dry blasting. Today, I want to talk about a frequently asked question, and that is, what do I do with my machine if I'm going to let it sit for a long time? And I personally would consider a long time over 2 to 3 weeks. So to answer the question, the main thing you need to do is you need to wash the machine down on the inside. So all of the abrasive that's stuck to the walls, the roof, the floor, you need to wash all that abrasive down into the hopper. And then you need to get rid of that water and that abrasive that's in the hopper. So you either need to pump it out using the slurry pumping system, or you need to use a hydrocyclone, which we also sell, and that's gonna spin the solids out of the water. Or you can use the slurry evacuator system. That is a air pushing or air assisted system to push it out of the machine. So those are your 3 ways to get the abrasive and the water out of the machine. Again, the main point behind all of those is you want to make sure that you settle the solids from the water. So if you pump it out into a bucket, for example, you want to make sure you let the abrasive settle and then dump the water off top. Of course, you want to make sure you're not polluting the earth. If you have some sort of contaminants, oil, grease, gas, diesel, whatever, lead, who knows what you've done in this machine, what you've blasted off, you want to make sure you dispose of that stuff properly. And you'll have to check with your local governments on that. If you've only used the machine a handful of times and you need to store the machine, just save that abrasive. So settle it from the water and get the water off of it. The abrasive will dry out, and just store it in a bucket. Hope that helps. If you have more questions, call or email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help.